This is a pulse jet dust collector system. Low-tech engineers are experts in manufacturing these machines. Let's understand it in details. Construction. This is the main body of the system. It is divided by a tube sheet into two parts. The lower body is called dirty air plenum and the upper body is called clean air plenum. The lower body includes an inlet which is connected to flexible suction pipes which carry the dirty air from the source. At the bottom is a hopper which is fitted with a rotary airlock system for continuous discharge of dust particles. The lower body includes the main filtration system. This includes rows of filter bags. Each filter bag is attached to the tube sheet. Above the tube sheet in the upper body is the cleaning system of the machine. This includes series of blowpipes. Each blowpipe is drilled with holes and is connected to an air reservoir called header, which has solenoid valves attached to it. The upper part also includes an outlet which is connected to a series of pipes used to carry the filtered air. Now let's understand how this works. Working. The contaminated air enters the system through the inlet and passes through the filter bags. Due to the use of baffle plate, the heavy particles fall down into the hopper and the lighter dust particles get deposited on the exterior surface of the bags, allowing only the cleaner dust-free air to pass through the filters and then upward in the clean plenum. The clean air is then discharged outside. This is the general process that takes place in the system. When a certain level of deposit is reached on the filter bags, a pressure is created. This is detected by a gauge fitted on the machine, and this starts a process of cleaning of the filter bags. Air stored in the header is released, which is carried by the blowpipes. This high-pressure air is then released in the filter bags one row at a time. This air passing through the filter bags releases the deposited dust and cleans the bag. The dust then falls off into the hopper. This process takes place at regular intervals of time, and this allows the filtration process to run smoothly. This is how a pulse jet dust collector system works.